Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This look was created out of boredom. It wasn't planned. As a matter of fact, I was very exhausted. I just returned from a long trip, but I still managed to pull it off. I also invited someone over to tie my gele along the line. Please watch, kindly subscribe, like and share if you can. I applied my foundation earlier. I used classic foundation. Usually I prefer to use a matte foundation because I have a very oily skin, but this time around I used a cream foundation. I used Davy's eyebrow pencil for the brows. It's the cheapest in the market that gives the best result. It's been in existence for years and it's reliable. I went further to use my LA Girl concealer in Fawn and Chestnut to highlight my brows. Sincerely, I feel like the Davy's eye pencil is underestimated. I'm not saying it's the best in the market, but you know, for the price, it's actually really good. I mean, it's very, very, very affordable and beginner friendly, easy to use, reliable. I'm actually loving the outcome on me. I'm loving it. Okay, so proceeding to the eyeshadow application, I started with a pink shade from the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. This particular palette has both matte and shimmer eyeshadows. Beauty Glazed palettes generally are very well pigmented and very affordable. It's actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palette. I think it has about 60 something colors. I can't remember. So I'm actually starting out from the crease. Packing in, sweeping in my pink shade gently to avoid any harsh lines.
We're wasting our nights, and we'll wake up tomorrow, and we'll stay in bed for long, and we'll see we can go on. From Lolo, give me that feel for cold ocean. Give me that taste of your motion. If I may skim from Mr. Strong, then I'm sure we can shut it up for long. Give me that feel for cold ocean. Give me that taste of your motion. If I may skim from Mr. Strong, then I'm sure we can shut it up for long. Start mission on the Lola. Start mission on the law. Start mission on the Lola. We can keep it for a long. Girl, you so close. Give me more, we can do it for a long. Girl, you so close. Give me more, we can do it for a long.
Up next, I'm tapping my Kiss Beauty black eyeliner on my eyelid to create a kind of smoky effect.
If I may skim from Mr. Strong, then I'm sure we can shut it up for long. Give me that feel for cold ocean. Give me that taste of your motion. If I may skim from Mr. Strong, then I'm sure we can shut it up for long.
Please don't use a black eyeliner that does not dry fast. I like this particular one because it dries very fast, so we won't have any kind of stains, or it won't smear on the colors of the eyeshadow during application.
I will take you by the hand and we'll hang around. Now give me that feel for cold ocean. Give me that taste of your motion. If I may skim from Mr. Strong, then I'm sure we can shut it up.
After applying the black eyeliner, I proceeded to tapping in my purple shimmer eyeshadow from the Beauty Glazed palette. I used the Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette all through this video, except the glitters.
Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody.
The glitter is actually unbranded, and this isn't the first time I'm using it. It's actually not bad, it's okay. It came out nice. I used Dior glitter glue to apply it on my eyelid.
Girl, I want all of your body. Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody. I in love with your body, your body, your body. Your body, your body, your body. I the way you smile at me. Girl, you're so kind to me. I the way you wear your hair. You feel bring it out to me. Love the way you control your bumper there, yo. Skin the baby color, me no need no rainbow. Love you everything, even when you don't say so. Travel across the world, listen me when I tell you. Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody. I in love with your body, your body, your body. Your body, your body, your body. Long time me know say you're bad, you're bad. Mash up the place, say you're bad, you're bad. Girl, when you move and you ride the baseline. Girl, when you ride the baseline. Long time me know say you're bad, you're bad. Mash up the place, say you're bad, you're bad. Girl, when you move and you ride the baseline. Girl, when you ride the baseline. So don't take me for fool. Tell me what you want to do. Tell me what you want to give to me. Give to me. Me no frying for you. Tell me what you trying to do. Look in the mirror and you will see. Why you will see. Girl, I'm in love with your body, your body, your body. So in love with your body, your body, your body. Not for tell anybody, nobody, nobody. I in love with your body, your body, your body. Your body, your body, your body. 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 Body, your body, your body.